At this point, let's also talk about Microsoft's hedging strategy. Microsoft's involvement in both Anthropic investment and OpenAI's broader ecosystem illustrates sophisticated hedging. The company recently restructured its OpenAI agreement, securing a 27% stake while simultaneously pursuing AI self sufficiency through its Microsoft AI division. The multi partner approach provides optionality. Microsoft maintains access to OpenAI's models through 2032 while cultivating relationships with competitors like Anthropic. Now, for a platform company, offering customers choice between multiple AI models strengthens Microsoft Azure's position against Amazon Web Services and Google Cloud. Microsoft benefits regardless of which AI startup ultimately prevails. And this brings us to the most important concern out here, the bubble concern and the market realities. Now, market volatility reflects mounting investor anxiety about whether the AI boom represents sustainable growth or speculative bubble. Leading AI companies remain unprofitable despite billions in investment. When Microsoft and Nvidia shares both fell nearly 3% on Anthropic announcement day, the market signals skepticism about circular financing and extraordinary valuations. And yet, proponents argue that AI represents genuine technological revolution. Anthropic's revenue growth from 1 billion to 7 billion in 10 months demonstrates that the real demand does exist. The question isn't whether AI will transform the economy, but whether the current capital deployment matches actual adoption and monetization pace. In conclusion, we can say that the juxtaposition of infrastructure and commercialization deals capture the AI industry at a critical point. Technology has advanced remarkably, computational capacities continue to expand exponentially, and genuine applications are emerging across business, research, and consumer products. Yet, the questions about sustainability, valuation, and return on investment grow more urgent with each billion-dollar deal that is being announced. Circular financing arrangements create uncertainty about whether the genuine economic value is being created or not. The gap between technical capability and trusted adoption in high stake domains highlights challenges that won't be solved purely through better models or through more computing power. For investors, these deals represent both opportunity as well as risk. Anthropic's revenue growth demonstrates real market traction, but its 300 billion valuation demands continued exponential growth. OpenAI's commercialization partnership shows a path to sustainable revenue, but its 1.4 trillion spending commitments require success at a scale few businesses have ever achieved. The real test for AI isn't whether it can attract more capital. That's clearly possible. The test is whether it can convert the computational capability into sustainable businesses generating returns that justify the extraordinary investment out here.